Hello, my name is Nagraj Shet from Kumta. I am living this taluk. This time explain this district Uttar Kannada district Karnataka is most popular places in Uttar Kannada district. This time explain. First explain in Kumta taluk. Kumta taluk is most popular. First temple Kumbeshwara temple name of the Kumta. So next temple in Yana. Yana is Bhairaveshwara cave and Moini cave is most beautiful forest and thick forest and tall hill. This place is most beautiful. Outlooking is so most beautiful. Yana and living the Shiva cave. So most popular cave in one cave, Kumta Taluk. So next places and Gokarna. Gokarna is most popular beach, home beach, and Mahabaleshwara temple is most popular. The South Indian most popular places in one Shiva temple places. Mahabaleshwara temple alive the this taluk Mahabaleshwara temple. So Kumta next place is Dareshwara. Dareshwara is most popular temple, Hindu religion temple, Shiva temple in Dareshwara. Dareshwara so beautiful temple and Bada Kanchikamba temple and this time Shantika Parmeshwari temple Kumta market. So more temple in more God in Hindu religion alive the Uttar Kannada district Kumta Taluk. This taluk popular game Honde. Honde is most popular game and broken the papaya and this most dangerous game in Kumta. This dangerous game and most culture beautiful culture art and culture Suggi Kunita and ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯ ಸೊ ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ತನಾ ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯ ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಸುಗ್ಗಿ ಕುಣಿತ and Bharatanaಟ್ಯ and Hondeist cultures is beautiful culture in Kumta Taluk. So next Taluk Ankola. Ankola is popular mango and Gangavali river is beautiful outlooking in places in one places Gangavali river in Karnataka Bandoli in popular places in one places Ankola is most popular beaches and river Gangavali river and it's a beach and mango is most popular this taluk and that taluk watching Karwar is most popular Kali river is outlooking is so most popular beautiful and coconut tree nearby coconut tree and market nearing so outlooking is so most beautiful outlooking is so beach and so the long bridge tall bridge in Karwar also called is Karnataka Kashmir seabird and more beautiful popular places in Karwar in next taluk so Honnawara is most popular in popular places Sharavati river is most popular river in Honnawara so popular fort in Honnawara is all over Karnataka popular fort in one fort Karnataka in Honnawara and Sharavati river popular fort in Idgunji Ganpati temple is most popular temple in Honnawara Karikama temple in popular temple in one temple Karikama temple in Arayangadi so most popular temple in Karikama temple is Idgunji temple and most popular temple in Kekkar Mata is the most popular temple in Honnawara is most beautiful Chandavara Hanumant Mukhya Prana temple in Hanuman and Gundbala is Mukhya Prana temple in Hanuman temple this taluk is most popular temple in one temple Honnawara beautiful Hindu religion more temple in living alive the Honnawara taluk so next taluk Bhatkal this taluk is Murdeshwara most largest statue in Murdeshwara Shiva statue in all over world is so beautiful places outlooking is so good and so most popular beaches in Murdeshwara is most popular temple in Bhatkal taluk so next temple in Alvekudi Durga Parmeshwari temple in Alvekudi Bhatkal taluk is most popular temple in one temple in Bhatkal taluk Durga Parmeshwari temple, Alvekudi. So next this taluk popular in jasmine. Batkal Mallige is most popular in jasmine in smile. The smell is the most beautiful smell, and jasmine is so beautiful. Batkal Mallige, this taluk popular flower. Flower in one flower, Batkal Mallige. In next places explain Siddhapura, this language, Kannada language, first god in Bhuvaneshwari temple in Siddhapura. Siddhapura is most popular temple, Bhuvaneshwari temple. This language, first capital of the Bhuvaneshwari temple, capital of the city, Siddhapura. Siddhapura, Bhuvaneshwari temple. This language, Kannada language, the popular temple in one temple, Bhuvaneshwari temple, and so outlooking is so most beautiful places. Siddhapura thick forest, only thick forest, Bidgi. So more etc. Village cultures, village Dodmane is so most beautiful places in Siddhapura. Next place is Sirsi. Sirsi of the Banavasi. Banavasi is capital of the Karnataka. Karnataka capital of the Banavasi, Kadambaru. Kadambaru first capital of the Banavasi. And next place is most popular temple in one temple, Marikamba temple. Marikamba temple is most popular temple in Uttar Kannada. In the big fair, most popular fair in all over Karnataka, Marikamba temple fair. So next place is Mundugod. Mundugod is Tibet colony. Tibet colony is most popular. Tibet colony most popular place, and Tibetan society living this taluk is most popular, and outside popular living this taluk. And next taluk Yellapura Siddhi society in living the Uttar Kannada district. Uttar Kannada district rare this is Siddhi society in Yellapur living. So next place is Halyal. Halyal is thick forest, tall hill, and big forest, and big mountain in this taluk living. And next taluk Ulvi Matta, Dandeli. Dandeli is most popular place, Ulvi Matta, and National Park of Tiger Park in Dandeli. Dandeli is most popular place, and paper mill in this taluk is popular places in paper mill Dandeli. And next taluk is Supa. Supa Joyda is thick forest is most popular forest in this thick forest in this taluk. So next Kumta. Kumta is Agnashini river in most popular river in national award winner Shankarnag and Anant Shankarnag direction by Natasarvabhamma Rajkumar. This acting this Vandamuttina Kate movie in underwater shooting. This river, Kumta river is most popular river in one river in Kumta, and Honavar is the most popular places in available. This time sea watching every peregrine and every tourister is most explained. The cool wind this winter season is most explained. This time is so more beaches in thick forest and cool weather in naturally weather in this district. This district falls more pulses in Falls district, name of the Falls district in Uttar Kannada district is most popular places in watching this time. This